You've heard it, emotion drives action. But you've also heard this, don't be emotional in business. I'm famous for saying that one. So which is it? How are we supposed to act with fire or think with ice? Hey bookkeepers, it's Trudy from Maven Systems and here to break this false dilemma for you. Because the most successful entrepreneurs, they're decisive but not dramatic, and they move fast without getting pulled under. Now, let's be clear, people buy emotionally, but then they justify logically. People avoid tasks because of emotional friction. People act when they're moved, not when they're merely informed. So yes, emotion is the fuel, but here's the key Maven shift. Emotion should be the ignition, not the GPS. Let it light the fire, don't let it drive the bus. To stay energized without unraveling, you need 3 tools. 1, Stoic Framing. Like Marcus Aurelius taught, you don't have an opinion. So ask yourself, what outcome matters here and what emotions are just noise? 2, Energetic Channeling. If you're angry, get moving. If you're anxious, get structured. Your emotions are energy, and energy wants a job, so give it one. Channel stress into planning, channel fear into prep, and channel disappointment into data. 3, Systems over spikes. Mature businesses run on rhythms, not mood swings. Don't wait to feel like it. Build routines that move even when you're meh. Ever find yourself chasing inbox fires, making fast decisions, then second guessing them? Ranting about a client instead of just replacing them? That's not strategy. That's emotional leakage. And it's costing you clients clarity and credibility. You can be passionate and precise. You can be driven and still detached. And you can be visible without being vulnerable to volatility. Your Maven move this week. Pick a recurring frustration and assign it a system. Here's some examples. If you're constantly chasing payments, automate your reminders. If you're replaying a client conversation in your head, script out a boundary email. If you're stuck in fear about growth, then build a what-if decision tree. Your goal? To turn emotional clutter into operational clarity. Emotion drives action, but only disciplined emotion drives momentum. Up next, what tax pros really want from you? Well, that is paramount to our mission, so we'd better pay attention. I'll see you there.